Good morning, students. Today we start with the new chapter, that is the chapter first of chemistry, that is natural fiber and plastics. The first thing which comes in our mind is what is fiber? Fiber is a thread-like or filament-like structure from which the cloth is made. We all wear clothes, and that cloth is made by the filament or thread-like structure that is called fiber. The fiber is, I think, clear. The second one is what is natural fiber? In simply, the fiber which is provided by the nature is called natural fiber. And as per the definition, the fiber which is extracted from the plants and animals, and we know that plant and animal is the part of the nature, so it is called natural fiber. The fiber which is extracted from the plants and animals is called natural fiber. An example of this natural fiber is wool is the example of natural fiber, silk is the example of natural fiber, cotton is the example of natural fiber. Next, the other type of the fiber, we know that man is a curious animal. Man has created lots of the fiber by their own endeavor. So a new type of the fiber come into the scene, and that type of the fiber is called artificial fiber. The other name of artificial fiber is man-made fiber, because it is made by the man and it is prepared in the laboratory, so it is also called synthetic fiber. So these are the other name of the artificial fiber. Artificial fiber, man-made fiber, synthetic fiber, these are the different name of the same thing. And now to come to the definition. The fiber which is made by man in laboratory is called artificial fiber. Example is polyester, nylon, rayon. But the example of rayon is something different. It is called semi-artificial fiber. Now coming to the third type, that is called semi-synthetic fiber. The fiber which is prepared from the wood, pulp or natural fiber by only changing their viscosity. What is viscosity? The property by which it is made more dense is called viscosity. Liquid को गाढ़ा करना, that property is called viscosity. That is made by the process that is called viscous process. Viscous is a process by which it can make the viscous. Liquid is made viscous. Now rayon is also called rayon is the example of this semi-synthetic fiber. Rayon, which is also known as artificial thing, which is also known as regenerated fiber. These are the three names indicate the same thing. The rayon made from the wood pulp by the viscous method, it made viscous. That's why it is called regenerated fiber. And it resembles the property of the silk. That is, they are also called artificial silk. And what is the property of rayon? It absorbs moisture from the air. It is lustrous. Lustrous is a word which means that shiny. It shines. property of the metal are shiny in nature. Similarly, this is also a shiny in nature. And the resemble silk, it is soft and comfortable and have a lustrous nature. That's why they resemble silk. And due to resemblance of the silk, this is not a pure silk. That's why this is called artificial silk. Now is it clear? I repeat the same thing. Rayon is made up from the wood pulp by the viscous method applied by the human being. That's why it is called regenerated fiber. And due to its properties resembling with the silk, natural silk, it absorbs moisture, it resembles silk because it is soft and comfortable, it is shiny. Due to the shiny nature, due to the comfortability, due to the softness, these are called artificial silk. Now is it clear? The next word, blending. What is blending? The process of mixing of the fiber by means that the property of the both comes into it. If we take the two things, the property of both the fibers should be intact in the process of the blending. Mixing in a such way that the property should be intact. Such a process is called blending. And the fiber obtained from the blending is called blended fiber. The example of some of the example of the commonly used example of blended fiber is the first one, quartz wool. What is quartz wool? Quartz wool is a blended fiber which is made up of two components. One is the fiber that is called cotton fiber, the other one is the wool fiber. When we mix this composition is called quartz wool. Similarly, polycot. The one component is polyester, the other component is cotton. The similar thing, terry wool. In terry wool, the first component is terylene and the second component is wool. By these two, this combination is known as terry wool. The example of the three are the example of blended fiber. And now in the next segment, we have to learn how this fabric will be formed. The steps involved in the formation of the fabric formation. But in fabric formation, the first and the foremost thing which we know should be the source by which fiber can be obtained. That may be the source, may be the nature, and maybe the other means. If it is the nature, then such a fiber is called natural fiber. When the source is the man-made, that fiber is called artificial, synthetic or man-made fiber. So from the source we obtain the fiber. Fiber is obtained from the source. This is the second step. This fiber is spun to form into the yarn. They are converted, they are spun thicker. They are spun into the yarn. And this yarn, when either woven or knitted, they are converted into the fabrics. And from that fabrics, we can obtain the finished product like shirts, pants, and the other clothes. These are the steps involved in the formation of the fabric formation. From fabric we made the fabric cloth. Now we study the various types of the synthetic fiber. The first we begin with the nylon. Nylon is the first man-made fiber in the true sense. Nylon name is got from the two major cities of the world. The one city belongs to the USA, the other city belongs to the England or UK. New York and the London. These two are the names of the city from which this named VIII. Nylon is made by taking the name of these two cities. And this is the first artificial fiber or synthetic fiber. The property of the nylon, it is light, elastic and highly tensile strength. What is tensile strength? Where we stress anything, the unbreakability of that thing is called measured in terms of the tensile strength. That strength is called tensile strength. Uses making of the umbrellas, parachutes, ropes used in the mountain climbing. These are the uses of the nylon. The second fiber is polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber that is also known as pyridine, mylar or dacron. These are the different name of the polyesters. Four name, same thing, that is the type of the synthetic fiber. And what is the property of the polyester? The property that it absorbs less water than the other synthetic fibers. It is a strong, light, elastic and resist wrinkle. Wrinkle-free cloth can be made from the polyesters. It is used in the party wears. You wearing dress in the parties, and that is made up of the polyester. Uses making of the magnetic recording tape, video cassettes, curtain means parda. These are the various uses of the polyester. The third synthetic fiber is acrylic, which is also known as orgone or acrylan. Acrylan and orgone are the great name of acrylic. It is a type of a synthetic fiber. Property of the acrylic, it is warm, soft and light. Due to this property, it is used as a making of the sweater, shawl and socks. The woolen clothes especially are made from the acrylic. The fourth type of the synthetic fiber, fourth example are kerosene. Kerosene is a synthetic fiber. The property of the kerosene is it is air and water proof. This property itself depicts its use. We can guess what is its use. It is used for the making of the raincoat, bathroom curtains, etc. These are the common uses of kerosene. The fifth one is spandex, which is also known as a trade name lycra. Lycra is the common name of spandex. The property, lycra is a synthetic fiber. Spandex is a synthetic fiber. That is the introduction of spandex and lycra. And its property is highly elasticity. High elasticity. It is highly elastic and stretchable. It can be stretched to the a great extent. And the uses for making of the swimming costumes, caps, t-shirts, etc. These are the different uses of the synthetic fiber. Now we have to study plastics. What is plastics? Plastics are polymeric materials. Polymeric materials which can be easily molded or sent into any desired shape and size. In the liquid state, they can convert it into the various shapes. That is the property of the plastic. And here the word is polymeric material. That is made up of polymer. the concept of the polymer comes into the play. What is poly? Poly means various, unit. Those entity which is made up of the various units joined with each other, such an entity is called polymer. Polymer is made up of the various monomer units. And what is monomer? This is the definition of the polymer. A substance which can made up of the joining of the various monomeric units, monomer, is called polymer. And the monomer is a single entity by which polymer will build. Mono means single and mers means unit. The single unit from which any polymer can be built is called monomers. This is the basic unit to which the polymer will be built. On the basis of the monomer unit, the combination of the monomer unit, the plastics polymers are of two types. We will study the types of the polymer. Homopolymer, the types of the polymer. This is made on the basis of the joining of the monomer unit. Homopolymers, a type of the polymer which is made up of the same kind of the monomer unit joined with each other are called homopolymers. Example of the homopolymers are polyethylene. Poly means various, ethylene means a single unit. Ethylene is a monomer. The monomer unit is ethylene. Suppose that this is the one ethylene. When one ethylene is joined with the other ethylene, this is also joined with the another one, and this is also joined with the another. This is the linear chain propagating throughout the thing. This whole arrangement is called polymer, polyethylene. And here the monomer unit is ethylene. Ethylene is the monomer unit. Similarly, heteropolymer. What is heteropolymer? It is a type of the polymer made up of joining of the two or more than two monomer units joined in a क्या here monomer unit will be different. Two or more than two monomer units what we take in the heteropolymer are different. That is why hetero word is used. Hetero means different. Different monomer unit is used here. Example is PET. PET is a polymer which is made up of the two monomer units. The first monomer unit is ethylene glycol and the second monomer unit is tetracathanic acid. These are the two monomer units. Similarly, melamine is made up of melamine and the second unit is formaldehyde. These are organic compounds. What is the organic compound? The compound which is made up of the carbon and its other form are called carbon compounds. And carbon compounds are known as organic compounds. Now we move to the other segment. That the types of the plastic. This is a one type which is based on the union of the monomer unit. The other type which will study on the basis of their reaction to the heat. Now it is the type on the basis of their reaction to the heat. There are two types of the plastic. on the basis of that. One is a thermoplastic and the other one is a thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic, as name suggests, a type of the plastic that can be molded into the other form when they are heated are called thermoplastic. Simply when we heat it, it changes into the various forms. And first type of the plastic is called thermosetting plastic. There are various examples of this. Take one by one. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, as name suggests. P for the poly, here vinyl chloride is the monomer unit. Here monomer unit is vinyl chloride. PVC is used nowadays for the making of the handle of the various pressure cooker and the various utensils you are using in a household today. And the second one is polystyrene, which is also called PS. Here monomer unit is polystyrene. Styrene is the monomer unit from which it is made. It is also used in the industrial preparation of the various things. The third one, polyethylene. Here monomer unit is ethylene. It is generally used in the making of the plastics. Simple plastic carry bags are made up of this unit, polyethylene. The fourth one is paint. Monomer unit is ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. These are the monomers unit. And paint is nowadays you use the water bottle. This is made up of the plastic, and that plastic is paint. That is a polymer. That is called paint, which is made up of ethylene glycol as well as terephthalic acid. And the fifth one is PP, polymer of the propylene. Here propylene is the monomer unit. These all are organic compounds made up of the carbon compound. The other is a thermosetting plastic, a type of the plastic which cannot be molded into the other form by the application of the heat is called thermosetting plastic. Here metal-making, the property hard and unbreakable. Monomer unit is melamine plus formaldehyde. These are the monomers units from which melamine is made. Usage of it for the making of decorative objects, dinner sets, this is used. All are for the decorative purposes. And the bakelite monomer unit is phenol and formaldehyde. These are the monomers unit by which bakelite will be formed. It is a type of the thermosetting plastic. Properties, it is a hard, it is a stiff, and it is an insulator. All plastics are the insulator of the heat and electricity. Usage for the making of the pumps, switches, tabletop, laminates, phonographs. These are the devices. These are used for the making of these utensils, these things. And these have a major role in our day-to-day life. This is a part of our household. And now we have to know what is the consequence of environmental consequence of this. There is the negative effects of the using of the plastic. And what is that negative effect? A wet soil pollution. When they are dumped into the soil, it will lose the fertility of the soil. The fertility of the soil will be lost due to the application of these plastic. And when they are burned, it gives a lot of the harmful gases which is mixing into the air, which make the air polluted. Air pollution is caused by the burning of these plastic. So these plastic can pose a different thing, and that way when you think you can ascertain the serious negative effects of the plastic. So how can we tackle this type of the environmental issue? For tackling these issues, we need to use 4 R. The 1 R is recycle, reuse, and the third one is the recover, and the fourth one is reduce. How they work? Suppose you are using the too many polythene bags. That is unnecessary. If you will reuse the previous one, you are going to the market and take the polythene bag, and you don't demand that polythene from your shopkeeper, it will also cause the less pollution. That is the type of the strategy is called reduce. And the second is this. And that reduce is attributed by the application of reuse. And what is the recycling? When polythene are molded to form the different thing, that is called recycling. We are the recycling the polythene to make the different type of the bottle and the other type of the things. And what is the recover? Recover means you have one thing that is the garbage for you, and by the garbage you can apply the for creating a new thing, and that thing will you are recovering the new thing. That is the application of this. By this chapter can be summed up, and if any question arises from my student side, they can ask from it in their comment section. We will reply accordingly. Thanks.